Hey guys, running Kimono here. So I did a little in-store deal right here and then curbside pickup, all of this goodness, and it worked out beautifully for me. I made a video first thing this morning and hopefully a lot of you can partake in it because it's a really good deal for very inexpensive goodies. And then cheap Tide, and these are the big mamas. They're not the tiny one. Like we have 64 loads here and then we have 42 packs. So that's pretty much detergent for the rest of my life. But it's just such a good deal. I'm really excited by that. Whenever you can get Tide like this for $3 and some change, I'm absolutely about that. And then just a little something here from Kohl's I wanted to talk about at the very end. Weather report for you guys. Well, look at those skies, kind of ominous and creepy. I think we're gonna get a really big rainstorm soon, and it's hot. It's like about 85 degrees, but it feels like it's 90. It's a steam bath out there. And I'm just gonna take you guys outside. Hi to my mom too, she's watching. Show you a little project that Mr. Kimono has been working on. We have this rock garden, and of course he had to start it on the hottest weekend in Michigan, but it's really coming along and it looks quite beautiful around the home. So isn't that cool? Okay guys, and just to tell you a little bit about this project, it's costly, it's not cheap. And with the Fetch Rewards app, you know, I've been using the Lowe's and Home Depot gift cards because you can get both of those with the Fetch Rewards app. I mean, you can qualify for both of those gift cards. And you know, groceries I've been buying for the last, like since the winter time, I've collected points towards gift cards that you can use, especially for a project like this. So if you've been shy to use this app, sign up today, guys. And when you photograph your first receipt, an Egg McMuffin you bought last week, or a pack of gum today, or anything off of my haul that you've been doing, you know, couponing wise, use this code when you sign up. You're going to be given $2, and those points amount really, really quickly. And mostly groceries at Meijer and Walmart, I photographed my receipts and I had enough. I think I had like $100 in points. I was able to get 2 gift cards to offset some of these bags of this crushed stone, and it really adds up, but it really helped to alleviate this project because it's not cheap, but it's really going to help with the curbside appeal of our home. And then we have certain furry friends who show up and do their business near the house, so it's going to defer them from doing that. So that's why we were really trying to get this rock garden organized on the hottest weekend ever. But yeah, if you guys are interested in this app, it's really helped us out this weekend, so it wasn't like, you know, a scary expensive project. I know a lot of you can relate with that, especially if you're homeowners. And if you've never heard of this app, check out the link in the notes, and don't forget to use my referral code. It's a terrific app. Let's talk about the curbside deals. So for whatever reason, curbside is a little cheaper for some products than in store, and it's just the way that it is. And at the very least, if you wanted to do these 2 deals, it's really good. So, but this one is a little bit of points, but I still made it work. Okay, so the Sally Hansen Hardest Nails. There was some sort of percentage off. I'll link my video from this morning if you want to check it out, but it was some sort of code. I already forgot what it is. But with the code, these were $4.04 for the 2 after the percentage off code. And there's a promotion of buy 2, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. So it made it a little money maker after everything is said and done, so I was very happy about that. Now, to let you guys know something else, if you wanted to buy these in store, I think they're like $3 and some change per, so it's still a little bit out of pocket. So it is smarter to just do these as a curbside pickup. I finally was able to track down one of these, and it's an Always, it's like a feminine wipes, that sort of thing. Exactly what it's called, 32 count. So with the curbside pickup, this guy was $3.29. My husband's store card had a $3 digital. Mine did not. Mine had like a 3 off a 2. But subtracting that $3 digital coupon, it made it 29 cents, which is really fantastic. And I'll pay that all day, every day for this product. Probably my favorite deal. These Tide products are $11.99. Again, there's some sort of promotion code going on right now where you can save a little bit. So what I paid for them was $28.47. So I got a significant amount off of these Tides with the percentage code. Again, that video is linked at the end. I don't remember it off the top of my head. And then there's a $6 digital, a $3 for this, and a $3 for this. And so what I did, guys, was I put the 2 Sally Hansen's and these 3 Tide products in the same transaction. So for my Tide, it was $28.47, and then $4.04 for the Sally Hansen nail products. So the total for this was $32.51. I had 2 $3 digitals for the Tide liquid and the Tide pods, and then I also threw in $20 of Walgreens cash. I had to pay $8 plus the tax, or $8 with the tax. And then I got back a $10 register reward for the Tide deal. Buy 3 of these large ones, get back a $10 register reward, plus $5 of Walgreens cash for this. So I think it was just a really smart flip for me. And if you were gonna pay $28 for this, I would say no. If you have $20 of Walgreens cash and you wanna flip it into a register reward, by all means go for it, because it's such a great little dealio. Very happy with it, and I was glad to do it the one time. And honestly, that percentage off code, it was like another $9 at savings. I could not pass it up. So loving this, and I know a lot of you are just doing really well with the deals today, so how awesome is that? Now on my husband's store card, I just went and did a couple of deals. I had 2 $5 register rewards that were expiring next week. And my schedule is gonna be kind of crazy next week, so I didn't even know if I could use them. I didn't wanna lose them, because $10 of register rewards, 2 5ers, I didn't wanna lose. So I did this little basket that include the Angel Soft for $3.99, the Irish Spring for $3.99. We have a 50-cent for this one, a $3.50 for this one. The Downies are 4 for $8, and it is Downy Unstoppable, the Downy Fabric Softener, the Tide Simply Clean, and then the Bounce Dryer Sheet. So there's a whole host of these products that are $2, but you have to buy them in increments of 4 to get that price point. So for all of this, it was $15.98. Now, I had $3.50, 50 cents. That's $4 of digitals, and then the two $5 register rewards. Now, I got the cashier to scan all of these Unstoppables first, hoping that the line limit would take the 2 $5, and then, you know, these guys would also come off. For whatever reason, it didn't work. What happened for me is my 2 $5 register rewards came off, and then these digitals did not. Now what I had to do was call customer service, and they just credited me the missing coupons, which was super of them. But let's just pretend that all my digitals came off as well. It would be $1.98 for all of these products, and I could use Walgreens cash to pay it down. I think it's just a really smart flip to get some toilet paper and some of these like Unstoppable laundry beads. There's a good amount in there, but just a really smart thing. And for whatever reason, with the manufacturer register rewards, it tends to kick out digitals. That's been happening for the last month or so. I don't know, it's just some goofy thing, but I'm still very happy that customer service helped me out, and I was able to get 4 of these, so they made it right. So anyhow, still a really good deal to get all of this stuff for $1.98. I'm all about that. If you're an avid Kohl's shopper, sometimes they'll send you stuff if you're not there often shopping, and they'll say, hey, Do you want to come back and try and buy something? We miss you. Where have you been? Blah, blah, blah. And this was exactly $5. They sent me a code and I was able to get this guy for $5. So I would absolutely sign up for a Kohl's account and see, you know, what might reel in once in a while, especially if you don't shop there often. But I was able to get this guy totally for free. I didn't even have to, you know, put in my credit card or anything. It's just a free item. And that happens around your birthday. You get free stuff. And then I just got one in celebration of Memorial Day. And it's just this like foam pumping hand soap. My mother-in-law loves anything with lavender, so this is totally up her alley, so I'm gonna keep that for her. So anyhow, guys, that's it for this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.